Black holes. Titans of the cosmos. Black holes, those mysterious giants of the universe, have fascinated scientists, philosophers, and curious minds for decades. They are invisible to our eyes, yet their gravitational influence can shape entire galaxies, warp space and time, and challenge the very limits of our understanding. Unlike stars or planets, black holes are not defined by the light they emit but by the gravity they wield and the matter they consume. At their core lies the singularity, a point of infinite density where the fabric of space and time collapses into something entirely beyond our comprehension. The concept of black holes originates from Einstein's theory of general relativity, formulated in 1915. Which described gravity not as a force but as a curvature of spacetime caused by mass and energy. Just a year later, Karl Schwarzschild discovered a solution to Einstein's equations, suggesting the theoretical possibility of a dark star, a region so dense that nothing could escape its pull. Initially considered a mathematical curiosity, black holes remained a theoretical idea for decades, until astronomical evidence began to mount. In the 1960s, observations of the binary star system Cygnus X1 provided one of the first strong indications of a real black hole. Astronomers noticed a massive invisible companion pulling matter from a visible star, producing intense X-rays. Its gravitational influence revealed a mass far too great to be a neutron star or any ordinary object, confirming that black holes were more than theoretical constructs. Since then, thousands of candidates have been identified, and scientists estimate that our galaxy alone may contain over 100 million black holes. Black holes are paradoxical in nature. They consume matter and energy, yet they also play a crucial role in shaping galaxies. Supermassive black holes, millions or even billions of times the mass of the Sun, reside at the centers of nearly all large galaxies, regulating star formation and orchestrating the motions of stars and gas. In the Milky Way, Sagittarius A*, our galaxy's central supermassive black hole, quietly holds the galactic core together, occasionally flaring as it devours small amounts of material. Despite their prevalence, black holes cannot be observed directly. Their presence is inferred through gravitational effects on nearby stars and gas. Matter spiraling into a black hole forms an accretion disk, a glowing, swirling structure heated to extreme temperatures that emits radiation, particularly in X-rays. The edge of a black hole, called the event horizon, is the point of no return. Anything crossing it, even light, cannot escape. Near this boundary, tidal forces stretch objects in a process known as spaghettification. Objects are elongated by extreme gravitational gradients before being consumed by the singularity at the core, where space, time, and the laws of physics as we know them break down entirely. The singularity remains one of the greatest mysteries of modern science. In 2019, the Event Horizon Telescope provided humanity with the first direct image of a black hole's shadow, capturing the supermassive black hole at the center of the M87 galaxy. The image revealed a bright ring of light encircling a pitch-black center, the silhouette of the event horizon, providing visual proof of these cosmic phenomena for the first time. Surrounding this is the photon sphere, where light is trapped in orbit, caught between escape and capture. Beyond this lies the singularity, a region where space and time dissolve into incomprehensibility. Black holes come in different types. Some spin rapidly, creating an ergosphere where space-time itself is dragged along by rotation, a phenomenon called frame dragging. Theoretical physics suggests that energy could, in principle, be extracted from spinning black holes, fueling imaginative possibilities. Some hypotheses even link rotating black holes to wormholes, potential shortcuts through spacetime, though these remain speculative and unproven. Modern discoveries have opened an entirely new window into the hidden dynamics of black holes through the detection of gravitational waves. First confirmed in 2015, these ripples in the fabric of spacetime, predicted by Einstein a century earlier, are produced when massive objects, such as black holes, collide and merge. Observatories like LIGO in the United States and Virgo in Europe have captured these faint vibrations, allowing scientists to listen to cosmic events that occurred billions of years ago. Each detection provides unprecedented insight into black hole populations, their masses, spins, and the frequency of collisions, revealing a universe far more dynamic and violent than previously imagined. These waves carry information not only about the black holes themselves but also about the very nature of space and time, allowing physicists to test the limits of general relativity in extreme conditions. At the same time, theoretical advances continue to probe the deepest mysteries of black holes. Superstring theory, for instance, envisions all fundamental particles not as point-like objects, but as tiny, vibrating strings of energy. The way these strings vibrate determines the properties of particles, giving rise to the familiar building blocks of matter. Even more remarkably, superstring theory predicts the existence of hidden dimensions, extraspatial directions compacted so tightly that they are imperceptible to everyday observation. These hidden dimensions may play a crucial role in bridging the gap between general relativity, which governs massive objects like black holes, and quantum mechanics, which governs the subatomic world. By exploring these ideas, scientists hope to resolve long-standing enigmas such as the black hole information paradox, the question of whether information that falls into a black hole is forever lost or somehow preserved, a puzzle that lies at the intersection of gravity, quantum mechanics, and the nature of reality itself. Black holes are far from passive voids. They are engines of cosmic evolution, capable of both creation and destruction. Their immense gravity sculpts galaxies, directs the orbits of stars, and regulates the flow of gas that fuels star formation. At the same time, they are sites of extreme physics, where matter is crushed to unimaginable densities and time itself is stretched and twisted. These cosmic behemoths are invisible to ordinary observation, yet their influence extends across light years, shaping the universe in profound ways. They are at once terrifying and awe-inspiring, representing the ultimate extremes of nature while inspiring philosophical reflection on humanity's place in the cosmos. As our technology advances, we are gaining ever more powerful tools to study these enigmatic objects. Next-generation telescopes will capture higher-resolution images of black hole environments, while advanced gravitational wave detectors will pick up subtler ripples from more distant or smaller mergers. Meanwhile, theoretical models continue to explore exotic possibilities, from spinning black holes that could, in principle, transfer energy through their ergospheres, to hypothetical wormholes that might connect distant regions of spacetime. Each new discovery, each subtle observation, pushes the boundaries of what we know, reminding us that black holes are not just astronomical curiosities. They are keys to unlocking the fundamental laws of the universe. Ultimately, black holes stand as the universe's most profound paradoxes. They are invisible yet immensely influential, destructive yet essential, mysterious yet central to the story of cosmic evolution. By studying them, humanity not only expands its scientific knowledge but also engages with the philosophical questions that have captivated thinkers for centuries. What is the nature of reality? How do the fundamental laws of physics operate in extreme conditions? And what does it mean for us, as observers, to witness the power and majesty of these cosmic titans? Black holes are more than celestial objects. They are living laboratories of extreme physics, windows into the birth and death of stars and galaxies, and reminders that the universe is far stranger, more complex, and more magnificent than we have ever imagined. Each discovery draws us closer to understanding these titans, yet also reveals that the universe holds mysteries that may forever elude our grasp. They are the ultimate teachers of humility and wonder, challenging us to imagine, to explore, and to seek knowledge beyond the limits of our current understanding.